Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And today I'm gonna do one of my first of a little series for beginners, which I'm obviously gonna call Beginner's Guide. Today I'm talking about Hot Wheels exclusively and about the three most popular Hot Wheels versions or lines we know. So yeah, if you are a new beginner, a new collector, stay for the video and let's finally begin. The video you see in the background I'm gonna be using in this video because it fits this video perfectly. As you can see right now I'm showing a Königsegg Agera R from the Exotic Envy Premium Hot Wheels set from 2021 or 2022, and this is one of the first three lines we are gonna look today. This one, as I said, is from the premium lines. The premium line is also divided between Team Transport, Boulevard, Car Culture, and Hot Wheels Diorama sets. So, and of course, as you can see, 2 packs. I'm sorry, I forgot about them. So, yeah. In Car Culture, you have, for example, the series like Exotic Envy, Deutschland Design, and Modern Classics, just to name a couple. These premium cars, one car each, costs around 10 euros or something like in the range of 11 to 13 US dollars. But sets like Team Transport and Hot Wheels Diorama sets are more expensive because they feature more cars. Car called Team Transport offers mostly one car, one transporter, and Hot Wheels Diorama features mostly 3 cars, one transporter. So the Team Transport is around 20 euros and the Diorama set is between 30 to 35 euros each. But for this price you get pretty much all the details around every single car, such as front headlights, rear lights, details on side, roof and front back, and you get a metal body on top of a metal base with rubber tires, which cannot be said about the next line of Hot Wheels I'm talking about. Of course, I'm talking about Hot Wheels Silver lines, or as some call them also, semi-premiums. And this name says it's halfway in between the main line and the premium castings, because some of these cars feature metal body with metal bases, but most of them feature only metal body with plastic bases. Rubber tires aren't usually found on these. They are all, as far as my knowledge goes, with plastic tires, but some exceptions have, as I already said, the metal base as well, but these are quite rare. And in the silver lines you find some different series such as Forza or Forza Horizon and Forza Motorsport, of course, but also Fast and Furious, Neon Speedsters, Fast and Furious, Dominic Toretto, and many more. These cars are, as I said, a middle between mainline and premium. This can also be said about the price, because the price per car is around 4 euros, but this amount is obviously varying between stores. So yeah, in my stores or in my area where I live, the semi-premiums mostly cost 4 euros. So I'm gonna go with that price. Here you can see, for example, my Nissan Skyline GTR R34 from the Fast and Furious 10 pack silver lines which I bought, which are, as far as I know, not every year, but they are like bi-yearly. So for last year's, by the way, we have another 10 pack of these, which was again Fast and Furious, and this one was around 30 to 35 euros at launch, and now you can find it for anything between 25 to 30 euros in any store. What you can find in almost every store as well is obviously the mainline Hot Wheels castings. These are both the cheapest, but also the, in my opinion, best way to start off with your collection, because for a price of €1.50 to €2.50, it's a great price per, or great deal per car. However, as the price may suggest, these cars are also the cheapest in production, with only a metal body, but plastic tires and a plastic base, and rarely full details around the car. most mainline cars only have some details, which is also one of the biggest differences between a mainline, a silver lines, and a premium, is the amount of details you can find on a car. But there are always a couple of exclusions, I guess you could say. And yeah. And one thing that is very interesting to me is that in mainline are sometimes cars, for example, this Aston Martin Valhalla, which hasn't been introduced to either Silver Lines or Premium Series. So if you collect mostly mainline Hot Wheels, you might be lucky and get one car that isn't even in Premium or Silver Lines yet. But sometimes, and very often actually, there are a couple of carryovers. Carryover pretty much means that that cars from mainline get to be in the Silver Lines or Premium series, or premium cars are in the mainline series, but obviously with each factor of the main of the individual series. So if a premium car goes down from premium to mainline, it obviously gonna be a mainline casting with less details. It loses the metal base for the plastic base with plastic tires instead of rubber tires. But yeah, we have seen some very great castings in mainline as well. So all three series are great overall, in my opinion. And which one of these three you collect is your choice. I personally started actually off with mainline because, as I said, for the price is the best start to collect cars from Hot Wheels. But if you want to go for full details, nice cars overall, and the nice heavy feel of the cars, go for premium and silver lines. But please remind yourself that these are always gonna cost more than the mainline because the production and the quality of these cars is higher than the mainline. And with this, we are already at the end of the video. If this helped you, please let me know by leaving a like and a sub to the channel, and suggest in the comments what you would like to see next. And then have a wonderful day. Until next time. Bye bye.